Bago tayo magsimula, ipopromote ko lang ang aking online shop sa Shopee at sa TikTok, Miss the Queen PH. Meron po tayong mga power bracelets na ako mismo yung gumawa. So meron tayong mga bracelets for attracting money and abundance, mga pampaswerte. And then meron din tayong bracelets for protection, anti-evil eye, anti-inggit, and also for balancing your chakra. Meron din tayong bracelets for intuition, wisdom, courage, communication, clarity, and love. So lahat po ng ating bracelets ay meron ng kasamang pouch, instruction leaflet, and extra string. Ayan, meron din tayong mga intention oils and spell jar for prosperity and protection. So lahat po ng items ay cleansed and intention set na siya specifically to the buyer. So available to sa Shopee at sa TikTok shop. Link on the description. Thank you so much and happy shopping! Gemini, hi, welcome to Miss the Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for October 2 to 8, 2023. General reading, just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus para sa iba pang mensahe. And thank you so much po sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder that you have the power to create your own reality. So gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na ito bilang gabay. So let's see what's up, what's coming to you, Gemini. October 2 to 8, 2023. You have the Queen of Pentacles. Your resources are your focus. Yung mga kaperahan mo. Your work, your career, your business, your family, your kids. You also have the Eight of Swords. Okay. There's some sort of limitations here, or you have the Six of Cups. Okay. Energy from the past. Alright. So, I'm seeing here, Gemini, you might be resisting a connection. So, pwedeng nagre-resist ka from a connection from the past. Possible that there is someone can be trying to pwedeng gustong bumalik sa'yo, kinukumusta ka, nagpaparamdam sa'yo, na ayaw mo nang balikan. Oo. This can be an Aries, or pwedeng Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Parang iniiwasan mo, pero deep within you, parang gusto mong makipag-usap sa kanya. What is the Queen of Pentacles? You have the Five of Wands. It seems na maraming nakikialam sa buhay mo, sa mga decision making mo, lalo na kung may iba ka pang mga responsibilities. So let's say for example, meron ka ng mga anak, and then there is someone from the past that might be trying to go back, no? Gustong bumalik sa'yo. And then, yung mga kakilala mo, kaibigan mo, family mo, sinasabi sa'yo na wag mo nang i-entertain. Kung sino man tong humihingi ng chance sa'yo. But, I feel like you still have feelings for this person. Medyo conflicted yung feelings mo ngayon. What is the Eight of Swords? The King of Pentacles. See? King of Pentacles. The King and the Queen of Pentacles ay nandito. So, maaring meron kayo parehong earth element, no? Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. I feel like this person is trying to tell you na you can make things work again dahil mas na siya, mas mature, ganon. This person can provide for you. Pwede kasing naging irresponsible to noon, kaya iniwan mo or umalis ka sa relationship, and now this person has evolved, no? Kumbaga parang inayos niya yung sarili niya, and this person is trying to win you back, gustong bumalik. See, there was an ending, there's a transformation. Wow. The Moon. Medyo mahirap nga itong i-deal for you, Gemini, kasi there's a lot of doubts, no? Parang nagda-doubt ka sa sarili mo if this is true, kung itong taong to nagbago na talaga. Maari kasing marami pa ring mga bagay na hindi niya sinasagot, no? From your questions, mga bagay na hindi pa maliwanag sa'yo doon sa naging problema niyo before at kung bakit siya talaga bumabalik. So, parang sa'yo conflicted ka sa kanyang intentions. So, let's see your ito yung outcome. The Empress. Ooh. The Tower. And the Hanged Man. Okay. So, for some of you, Gemini, you are just going to focus on yourself. You will realize na nakayanan mo na wala tong taong to for a long time. Nakayanan mo na mag-provide for yourself, for your family, for your kids. Kung may mga anak ka na, naging independent ka na eh. So, kung bibigyan mo ng chance tong person na to na bumalik sa buhay mo, parang you don't want to take that risk, no? Ayaw mo nang i-risk yung relationship mo or yung situation nyo ngayon na may possibility na bumalik sa same problem kung ano yung dati yung naging problema. This can also apply sa career, trabaho na pwedeng pinababalik ka or sinasabi sa'yo na subukan mo ulit. Pero parang half-hearted ka kasi you are already successful on your own. With the Empress card here, you can provide for yourself. You can take care of yourself. All that glitters. Oh my God. Etong card na to, sinasabi na hindi lahat ng kumikinang ay ginto. So, be careful sa mga deception. Hindi lahat ng nakikita mo na pinapakita sa'yo ay totoo. There is more than meets the eye. A leg up. So, this is also assistance and help from others. So, maaring makailangan ka ng tulong or advice from someone na pinagkakatiwalaan mo regarding this situation. Kung babalik ka ba sa dati mong work, gagawin mo pa yung dati mong ginagawa, babalik ka ba sa ex mo na nangangako na ayusin na niya? 'Di ba? But, you are already independent, successful on your own. Kumbaga, kung babalikan mo man to, it's because you are passionate about it or talagang mahal mo. So, you have Saturn and Gemini in the 3rd house. You really have to concentrate on your decision making. And with Saturn here, medyo challenging for you to decide. Kailangan, yung hindi ka madaling mai-impluwensyahan ng inputs ng ibang tao. It has to be a decision on your own. Hindi pwede mag-decide ka na dahil sinabi ni ganito or sinabi ni ganyan. You have Moon and Gemini in the 3rd house. 3rd house is about your expression. This is also about your communication, the way you learn. So, I think, marami ka naman ang natutunan, no? Doon sa past experiences mo. You can definitely kaya mong mag-adapt. You are flexible. May challenges, kaya mong lusutan. Ganong klaseng energy. So, let's see message for your money, career, or rewards. Your hard work is paying off. Your performance is gaining attention in your community. So, yung mga pinagtrabahuhan mo, yung in-effortan mo sa career, sa business, ito ay makukuha mo na yung yung rewards. Oo. You're going to be rewarded. You deserve the awards that you are receiving now. So, pwedeng i-recognize ka sa iyong trabaho, sa career mo, merong milestone, merong kang sense of achievement sa career, sa business. Kaya you feel successful already. Sa love, expression. It's always best to show your appreciation to your partner. So, if you are in a relationship right now, malaking bagay na kaya mong mag-express ng totoong nararamdaman mo sa person mo para meron kayong maayos na pag-uusap. Okay? But if you are not in a relationship, I feel like this is you expressing your feelings sa mga mahal mo sa buhay. Oo. Okay, so that is your reading, Gemini. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan. Like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Gemini. See you again.